Aster Buds.
Hey Aster Buds. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore the world of furniture and learn about different types like chairs, tables, beds, and more. Let's dive in and discover the furniture we see and use in our daily lives, whether in our homes, classrooms, or in the office. Chair. Chair. Armchair. Armchair. Recliner. Recliner. Folding chair. Folding chair. Glider chair. Glider chair. Rocking chair. Rocking chair. Swing chair. Swing chair. Ottoman. Ottoman. Swivel chair. Also called as office chair. Swivel chair. Upholstered chair. Upholstered chair. Lounge chair. Lounge chair. Chaise Lounge. Chaise Lounge. Accent chair. Accent chair. Beanbag chair. Beanbag chair. Step stool. Step stool. Vanity stool. Vanity stool. 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 Bar stool. Bar stool. High chair. High chair. Bedside table. Bedside table. Nightstand. Nightstand. Chest of drawers. Chest of drawers. Coffee table. Coffee table. Console table. Console table. Cot. Cot. Sofa. Sofa. Couch. Couch. Futon. Futon. Sectional sofa. Sectional sofa. Love seat. Also called as tete-a-tete, gossip's chair, or conversation chair. Love seat. Sleeper sofa. Sleeper sofa. Reclining sofa. Reclining sofa. Sofa bed. Sofa bed. Rattan Furniture. Rattan Furniture. Patio Furniture. Patio Furniture. Gazebo. Gazebo. Bed. Bed. Headboard. Headboard. Mattress. Mattress. Bed frame. Bed frame. Day bed. Day bed. Bunk bed. Bunk bed. Loft bed. Loft bed. Murphy bed. Murphy bed. Murphy bed can be folded or swung into the wall, closet or cabinet when it is not used. Storage bench. Storage bench. Garden bench. Garden bench. Park bench. Park bench. Picnic bench. Picnic bench. Portable table. Portable table. Fire pit table. Fire pit table. Vanity table. Vanity table. Desk. Desk. Writing desk. Writing desk. Changing table. Changing table. Kids table and chairs. Kids table and chairs. Bistro table. Bistro table. Trestle table. Trestle table. Nesting table. Nesting table. Folding table. Folding table. Pedestal table. Pedestal table. Hallway table. Also called as console table. Hallway table. Also called as console table. Mudroom bench. Mudroom bench. End table. End table. Side table. Side table. Corner table. Corner table 1. Dining table. Dining table. Dining chair. Dining chair. Dresser. Dresser. Credenza. Credenza. Sideboard. Sideboard. Wardrobe. Wardrobe. Armoire. Armoire. Closet. Closet. Bookcase. Bookcase. Bookend. Bookend. Ladder shelf. Ladder shelf. Tallboy. Also called as Highboy. Tallboy. Also called as Highboy. Buffet table. Buffet table. Kitchen cabinet. Kitchen cabinet. Cabinetry. Cabinetry. Kitchen island. Kitchen island. Home office furniture. Home office furniture. Adjustable desk. Adjustable desk. Desk organizer. Desk organizer. Filing cabinet. Filing cabinet. Lateral file cabinet. Lateral file cabinet. Curio Cabinet. Curio Cabinet. Storage Cabinet. Storage Cabinet. TV Stand. TV Stand. Entertainment Center. Entertainment Center. Cupboard. Cupboard. Umbrella Stand. Umbrella Stand. Coat Rack. Coat Rack. Bar Cart. Bar Cart. Display Case. Display Case. Pub Table. Pub Table. Cradle. Cradle. Shoe Rack. Shoe Rack. Table Lamp. Table Lamp. Quilt Chest. Also called as Blanket Chest. Quilt Chest. Also called as Blanket Chest. Trunk. Trunk. If you enjoyed learning with us today, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. And make sure to share this video with your friends so they can join the fun too. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our next exciting adventure. See you next time.